Let us see a few activities for visual intelligence. When we say visual intelligence, it is something to do with related to seeing, visualizing. So few activities to improve this intelligence with the child is reading book, story narration, writing, taking them around, doing puzzles, creative activities like art and craft activities. So how we can do these activities is, you can take one activity per day to do with the child and extend it up every day with one of the activity for this intelligence. When we consider visual intelligence, there are world famous personalities, very successful people in this field. So doing this activity will help you to know whether your child has this capacity. If it is not, so also you can, while doing the activities, you can improve this intelligence in the child. So when we say reading book to the child, the selection of books what you take is very important. Take books which are more of pictures and colors and very few words or one or two sentences. So there are various books available in the market. It can be the pop-up books, slide and learn. There are various, the touch and feel book. So the number, read and write books. So the various types of books which you can use. So for a very small child also you can read books. At the same time, showing the things around the house is also a task which you can do for improving the visual intelligence. With related to the creative aspect, you can do a lot of art and craft related activities, probably coloring, drawing, painting. In painting also there are various types of paints which you can do. So that is one part. Apart from the craft, art and craft related activity, taking them around, like you can do outdoor activity where it can be just standing on the balcony and viewing the things, or gazing the stars in the night, or taking them to a shopping mall where you shop around, and it can be many other activities which is of outdoor in nature. At the same time, you can give them the puzzles, building blocks, which will help them to visualize the complete picture and then build the puzzle or building blocks. So these activities will help no matter whatever the age of the child. You can slightly alter the activities. If the child is very small, you can do the activities and child can be the viewer. When the child starts growing a little older, you can give this task to be done by the child and encouraging the child. So hope you have got some points related on improving the visual intelligence of the child. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Happy parenting.